So today we will cover Nifty as well as Bank Nifty together. Let's get started. Okay, so this is August month open. So pretty good. You can see this is open and high or almost similar that day, and then it was clearly drifting down because of the USA news which was lingering in the market. Officially or unofficially, all the data is kind of manipulating, but then here it becomes the retracement, and the close is equal to low for both. So you could see Nifty as well as Bank Nifty is going very parallel. So on 8th we have the new start. So this was week 1. Okay, now from here onwards second week starts. So week 1 it was the positive decay, so it was a profitable week for sellers, especially straddle sellers. Okay, now we will move on to the second week and we'll check the data. I'll start with pre-open market. So from here on I'm going to show you all the possibilities what can happen on the second week. Okay, so we will start with pre-open. It was gap down, so already they have saved with money in the gap down, so the resistance also become very strong in the market. Bank Nifty though was pretty stable throughout the day, and it was having a buyer straddle at the end only, but until 350 it had the seller straddle profitable zone. Okay, so as of now market is looking a little bit bullish but not working out for Nifty. So when you check on the negative side, we have IndusInd Bank, Bharti Airtel and Adani Entertainment on the negative side, NTPC, Titan and Dr. Reddy's on the positive side. Okay, I'll go to the important topic, that is FII data, not premium, so we'll check out in the free version only. Okay, now let me change the color so that we will have the clear. Long means buy, short means sell, call short means resistance, put short means support. Okay, so this is the basics, and now with the values we will need to understand only for FII perspective. Okay, so you could see here sellers are strong and also adding positions in the sell side. Here you could see adding position in the resistance, so resistance is pretty strong. Support adding but very less, and support is getting weak, so it is a weak support, clearly we can understand, and this is only condition for index. Okay, now I'll go to stocks as well. So this is for stocks and we'll only see FII. Okay, so FII are here, and then you see long means buy, short means sell, call short means resistance, put short means support. Okay, now resistance to support, price will linger here only. Okay, now when you compare, okay, sorry, I just missed one thing. Okay, here is the data. Sorry. Okay, here is the data. From this we have to check. Okay, you could see 33.21. So here buyers are with the small margin, they are having the upper hand. When you check call short and put short, 83, so clearly resistance is more, put support is okayish. Okay, equally they are adding up in the positions. Okay, now we'll go to the news part. So we have news this week. So Friday is a holiday, so we'll have a maximum decay on Thursday, or the price action is going to be crazy. Okay, so for 11th, 12th, okay, we'll check for 11th. Okay, Astral, not much of the news on 11th. Okay, it's just stock results which is not going to affect Nifty in any way. So these are the no news for 11th. So 12th we have 2 news, so that we have to check. So here we have August 15, Independence Day holiday. Okay, so now here we are going to check the highest rating of the OI. So 500 and 600 is going to be our resistance for this week. Using this, when you check monthly resistance, it's same. 500 has become the straddle point for month. Okay, now I'll check for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty definitely will have a big or very vast support and resistance. So you check here 55 500 to 55k. So these both acts as the resistance clearly. Okay, now we'll go to the actual OI. This is Nifty, and then you could see Nifty equally built up, but resistance is pretty strong in the market. Now we will go to Bank Nifty. Oh, sorry, got a call. Now we'll continue. So Bank Nifty looks pretty stable. It should do a recovery for this week. Otherwise, things can go pretty serious. We'll go to straddle and we'll do a small price action comparison here. Okay, we'll take Nifty and we'll see how the open strike has moved. Okay, so this is Nifty, Bank Nifty together. I'm adding. Nifty open was 550, so I have to improve the count because 550 is not available in 5 counts. So here you could see how with a small margin they have done the profit. At here long straddle has won, but this range short straddle has won. Okay, so only with a margin of 20 to 25 points. Okay, you have to remember that. Okay, now let's see the profit calculation. So almost 5 points is the minus DK, and for one lot it's 75. So this is the loss for 8th. Okay, because it was clearly trending and standing at the support. Okay, and also watch out for the USA news because Trump is where I can't describe him because he's totally gone nuts. Okay, now we'll go with Bank Nifty. 56, 55, 600 was the open, so we only have 500 option. We'll take 500 itself, so it's a loss making trade. So that's it guys, thank you.